Hi, this video will get into the Chex application. From the home screen, select the Chex app. By selecting 2 points or 1 line, you will see information come up in the info panel. From here you can see line ID, the layer that the points or line are on, horizontal distance, slope distance, vertical change or delta, percent slope if applicable. Selecting a third point, you will get an interior angle between those 3 points. You can also get perimeter and volume, area. Cycling through the results bar in the top right, we can see columns that are horizontal square footage, horizontal perimeter, the horizontal box volume. You can see the sloped square footage if there's elevation change, slope distance perimeter, sloped box volume. Creating a box volume, after an area is selected, hit the toolbox and tap the box volume. Enter a thickness, hit the check mark. The info panel will be updated with values for the box volume in left and right columns. If an elevation on some of the points forces the slope distance to longer than the horizontal difference, we'll see the info panels having different values in the left versus right columns. There's a few different ways that we can check distances. One of them is going into the toolbox and choosing the radial tool. The first point will be the anchor point. It will be the point from which all other points will be measured. Now, tap on a second point. You are shown the horizontal distance and slope for the usual info panel. As you tap more points, the color coding of the lines is still the same. Blue is the previous line segment, orange is the current line, and the dark blue arc denotes the interior angle. Now, tap on a fourth point. The anchor point, the first one, still remains the same, and the object point, number 2, is updated. The last tool in the Chex toolbox is Point to Line. Start by selecting the toolbox and go Point to Line. The info panel instructs you to select a reference line and hit the check mark. You can either tap point to point or tap on any line. You can change the direction of the line as well by using the flip button. Hit the green check mark. Now, as you tap points, offsets and distances will be relative to that line. New values will be displayed. The blue values are point information with elevations turned on. If the reference line endpoints have different elevations, the elevation along the line will be sloped accordingly.